Seniors, eat these 7 foods before bed to repair your eyes and restore vision while you sleep. Hey there, Senior Bestie family. Today, we're talking about something that hits close to home for so many of us, our eyesight. As we age, our vision can slowly decline, and even simple things like reading a book or recognizing faces can become a challenge. But what if I told you that the foods you eat before bed could actually help repair your eyes and restore your vision while you sleep? Yes, you heard that right. Tonight, we're diving into 7 incredible foods that seniors should eat before bed to support eye health and keep your vision sharp. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. Here's something most people don't know. Your eyes don't stop working for you when you sleep. In fact, sleep is when your body does some of its most important repair work, including the delicate tissues in your eyes. Imagine waking up every morning with your eyes feeling fresher, your vision clearer, and those annoying eye strains slowly fading away. That's exactly what these bedtime foods can help with. And the best part? They're all natural, easy to prepare, and delicious too. 1. Carrots. Let's start with a classic you've probably heard about since childhood, carrots. But here's the real science behind it. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that your body converts into a nutrient essential for night vision. Eating carrots before bed is especially effective because while you sleep, your body processes nutrients more efficiently. Beta-carotene strengthens the retina, helps prevent night blindness, and even protects against age-related macular degeneration. Think of your retina as the camera film of your eye. Over time, it can wear out, but beta-carotene acts like a protective coating, keeping your vision sharp. A simple bedtime snack could be a small bowl of steamed carrots, carrot sticks with hummus, or even a warm carrot soup. It's easy, tasty, and your eyes will thank you in the morning. Most of us think, I'm asleep, my body isn't doing anything, but the truth is, your eyes are still working in a quiet, behind-the-scenes way. They're repairing cells, clearing out oxidative stress, and preparing for the next day. Feeding them the right nutrients before sleep is like giving them premium fuel to run that nighttime repair session efficiently. And this next food takes that repair work to the next level. 2. Spinach. Next up is spinach. Don't worry, I know not everyone loves green leafy vegetables, but hear me out. This one is a game changer. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are concentrated in your retina. These antioxidants act like sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light and reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related vision problems. Here's the best part. When you eat spinach before bed, your body has several hours to absorb these antioxidants fully. A warm spinach and mushroom sauté or a light spinach smoothie with a little almond milk can work wonders. It's subtle, nourishing, and your eyes are soaking up protection while you dream. Over time, you might notice less strain when reading or using your devices. Did you know that by the time many seniors notice vision issues, damage has already been happening for years? The biggest culprits are free radicals, tiny molecules that attack your eyes. Foods like spinach act as armor, neutralizing these free radicals before they do serious harm. And that's why this next bedtime food is another superstar. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts might look small and unassuming, but they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for eye health. DHA, a type of omega-3 found in walnuts, is a major structural component of your retina. Without enough DHA, your retina can weaken, leading to blurred vision or difficulty seeing in low light. Eating a handful of walnuts before bed is like giving your eyes a nightly tune-up. They're easy to digest, won't interfere with your sleep, and they provide a slow-release fuel of essential fats and antioxidants. Think about it. While you're snoozing, your retina is soaking in the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy. And yes, these little nuts can also help reduce dry eyes, something many seniors struggle with. Here's the secret. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to support your vision. Just adding a few nutrient-rich foods to your nightly routine can have a dramatic impact over time. And this next food is a classic favorite you can actually enjoy as dessert. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are more than just a sweet snack. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help repair damage in the retina and improve blood circulation to your eyes. This is especially important for seniors because reduced circulation can contribute to age-related eye diseases. Eating blueberries before bed can give your eyes a gentle boost of healing compounds overnight. You can have a small bowl of fresh blueberries, toss them into yogurt, or even enjoy a warm blueberry compote. Over time, you may notice brighter vision, less eye fatigue, and even better color perception. Blueberries truly are a small fruit with a huge impact. Imagine undoing some of the damage caused by hours in front of screens, bright sunlight, or just the natural aging process. That's what these foods are doing for your eyes while you sleep, quietly repairing and protecting so you wake up feeling sharper and clearer. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another incredible source of beta-carotene, just like carrots, but they come with extra fiber and vitamins that help reduce inflammation. Inflammation in the eyes can lead to conditions like glaucoma or macular degeneration, so keeping it in check is key. A warm baked sweet potato or a small serving of mashed sweet potato before bed not only nourishes your eyes, but also stabilizes blood sugar, which indirectly supports eye health. Plus, it's comforting, filling, and a great way to satisfy your late-night cravings without turning to processed snacks. Your eyes are literally soaking in the goodness while you drift off to sleep. 6. Eggs. Eggs often get overlooked when we talk about eye health, but they are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same antioxidants we found in spinach. They also contain vitamin B12, which is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function, including the optic nerve that sends visual information from your eyes to your brain. A simple soft-boiled egg or a small vegetable omelet before bed can provide your eyes with nutrients that support overnight repair. The protein also keeps your body nourished through the night, ensuring a steady supply of vitamins for tissue regeneration. And don't worry, one egg is enough. You don't need to go overboard. It might sound like magic, but your eyes really do repair themselves at night. By feeding them the right nutrients before bed, you're essentially giving them a VIP repair package. This next food is a little surprising, but it's an essential part of the nightly vision restoration routine. 7. Almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the delicate tissues in your eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main contributors to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating almonds before bed allows your body to slowly absorb vitamin E throughout the night, giving your eyes a steady dose of protection. Just a handful of almonds or a small almond butter snack can make a huge difference over time. Plus, they're easy to keep by your bedside, crunchy, satisfying, and heart-healthy too. Your eyes and your body will thank you for the extra care. So there you have it. 7 incredible foods seniors can eat before bed to repair their eyes and restore vision while they sleep. Carrots, spinach, walnuts, blueberries, sweet potatoes, eggs, and almonds. Each of these foods brings its own unique set of nutrients that your eyes crave, especially as we get older. The beauty of this routine is that it's simple, natural, and fits seamlessly into your evening. No fancy supplements, no expensive treatments, just real, wholesome foods that work while you sleep. Start incorporating even a few of these tonight and notice the difference in your vision, eye comfort, and overall health. Remember, your eyes are the windows to the world, and taking care of them doesn't have to be complicated. Feed them the right nutrients, give them rest, and they'll reward you with sharper, clearer vision for years to come. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Senior Bestie for more tips to live healthier, happier, and sharper. And comment below, what's your favorite bedtime eye snack? I'd love to hear from you.